afternoon to all. Today's chief guest MC Mehta ji, Professor Purushottam Reddy sir, Sri Dilip Reddy, Professor Pushpa Kumar, Dr. P. Vijay Kalyani, Leela Lakshma Reddy, Dr. N. Sai Bhaskar Reddy, dignitaries, students, media, and others. I wish you a happy World Environment Day. I feel that this is very auspicious occasion on its another milestone in CGR journey. It is a pride moment for CGR. I am glad that the Earth Center is inaugurated in the gracious presence of MC Mehta Sahab and other dignitaries. CGR is over grateful to Mehta Sahab for sparing his precious time to join here, inaugurate the center and address the webinar. Thank you very much, sir. We required your blessing all the time. Professor K. Purushottam Reddy, sir, is our constant source of inspiration and motivation. He is the main guiding force behind this center. My heartfelt thanks to Sri for your goodwill and affection. I appreciate to support insights of Dilip Reddy, Dr. Tulsi Rao, Dr. Narasimha Reddy, Nel Narasimha Reddy, and Shiva Prasad and other senior members. CGR, I thank their time to inputs for the Earth Center planning. I want to offer that we will develop the facility into full-fledged center. We work to promote the center as a premier institution and environmental education and earth leadership. We want to see that people of all ages, all walks of life have their footfall here. We want them to take away inspiration, quality, learning, and motivation from here. We will work sincerely in this direction. Briefly, I want to share the rationale behind the establishment of this center. We all know the status of planet environment today. We all aware that most of the ecosystems are in peril. We know that the planet Earth is overburdened with population, consumption, and pollution. It is hot and crowded with 8 million people. We are warned with declaring the natural resources. Many species are in the brink of extinction. Our livable planet is losing all its vital life support systems. We are witness to the havoc wrought by COVID pandemic. This is the grim picture of our times. We have think sincerely and seriously. In this juncture, we need new pathway progress, a greener path ahead. We need a radical change required in earth systems governance. We need leadership guide course of human progress. We need a leadership of influence the policies, motivate and inspire people, care earth and live on harmony with nature. The sum up, I feel this here the great need of environmental championship, earth leadership, and ecological stewardship. Hence, this is can be filled by institution like Earth Center. This rationale, it is a basic premise of the initiation of this center and is supported by all the members of CGR collective journey of concerned citizens and environmentalists, journalists, academicians, scientists, and other possible souls. We are thankful to them all. We are with us in all the stages of journey, and we wish some same support and encouragement for the center. So is the theme of this year, World Environment Day. United Nations calls a reimagine, recreate, and restore the ecosystem. And this year, United Nations Day of desertification and drought on 17 June also proclaims the need of for better partnership with nature and land which are sustained. We need huge number of green leaders attend these good health interventions. Hence, Earth Center mandate is clear and bigger from village to nation. We want to do all the possible. We will work our best to serve the need for the better world, for better future. For the cause of, I request your continuous support, wider partnership and collaboration for the purpose. I congratulated Mr. Pawan and Yashwant for this coordination program. I thank one and all you all the best. Save nature, save future.